Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is November bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn here. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini. What's going on, Scorpio? So under the deck, 9 of Cups, 8 of Cups, Knight of Wands and 9 of Pentacles and Justice. Yeah, you decided to cut off someone from your life. It is a clear message, Scorpio. Maybe you're dealing with Libra here. Now you want to focus on your career. You want to focus on your independence and stability here. Financial stability. But someone is rushing to communicate with you. For some it could be a past person. For some it could be a new person. Yeah, you decided to walk away because things are not going well between you and your person. That's why finally you decided to walk away. And 9 of Cups. There is some wish fulfillment for you, especially in career wise. But relationship wise, right now you're going through a lot, Scorpio. So let's see your reading. Recent past. Queen of Wands, Devil and 7 of Swords. They played so many games with you. Yeah, miscommunicated with you, false communication, miscommunication, or your person is a liar, cheater, or third party involved here. Yeah. So, devil, you have so many fears regarding this person, and some of you really this person is toxic for you guys. So, be careful. Or, I think lots of you, you know this truth. That's why you took your power back in recent past. Then, present, the world, lovers, and page of wands. Maybe they're trying to communicate with you again, and their communication is coming here. And some cycles are already ended between you and your person. Yeah, still you also love this person, but you're not willing to talk to them because future 5 of wands, 2 of pentacles and tower. So a lot of drama is going. You don't want this drama anymore, and you don't want to invest anything in this relationship. You are juggling here. You try to balance things in your life. Yeah, it is a tower moment. They broke your trust, and maybe third party involved in this relationship. You came to know some truth about this person. After that, you going through a tower moment. Yeah, but it is a temporary. Don't worry. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. King of Wands, the Six of Pentacles. Maybe they're trying to make action towards you. Now they really want to offer equal give and take. But in past, they always in and out of your life. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Maybe you're dealing with the Sagittarius. Okay. Their intentions. Maybe you're dealing with Libra. Under the deck, Six of Pentacles, the Lovers, Four of Cups with Hangman. So they're missing you right now, and they also obsessed with you. And yeah, they do love you, and they want to offer equal give and take. Six of Pentacles. But again, the devil is here. We got devil card twice. So maybe for some, this person is toxic for you. Very, very dark energy here. They're not giving clarity, and they are very dominative. So the current feelings, Two of Wands, Temperance, and Nine of Cups. They have to make some choice, or they have to make some decision here. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. Yeah, they're wishing for this connection, and they're being very patient. Maybe they're waiting for their time here, or they're planning something big. But they're wishing for this connection. Now you are their wish fulfillment. And their intentions, Justice, Ten of Swords, and King of Wands. So they want rebirth in this connection. Lots of you, it was ended between you and your person. But now your person wants second chance, and they want rebirth in this relationship. And they really want to take action towards you because King of Wands is here. And your person is also very powerful and independent person, Scorpio. So they want you back, and they want second chances here. If you are not in separation, they want to fix things with you. A lot of air energy, maybe you're dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, they really want to offer stability here, and apology and text communication is coming. Scorpio, yeah. Again, Six of Pentacles with the Lovers. They're ready to offer equal give and take. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius. For some, a brand new person is also entering in your life. You have options here, Scorpio. And there is some wish fulfillment for you. And the moon with Eight of Swords. But you have some fears regarding this relationship or regarding something in your life. You have some fears, illusions, and you're stuck, feeling stuck. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Yeah. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer. Yes, you are in very slow moving, and you are in some confusion, but they want second chances. They want to communicate with you, but you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. Just you are on your power, but they want second chances, and they are serious about you this time. But you have some fears regarding this relationship, regarding your person. That's why just you are taking your own time. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Scorpio. Reunion is coming. Trust issues and friendship. Maybe you both are very good friends. Maybe some of you, your person is putting in friendship zone, and reunion is coming and trust issues. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Scorpio. Expect powerful change, new moon eclipse. So there will be some powerful change, especially when new moon eclipse is going. And meditate and contemplate, new moon in Pisces. And under the deck, walk through your fears, new moon in Scorpio. Maybe you have some fears regarding something. First, you have to overcome those fears. So especially when new moon in Scorpio. This is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.